This is Monoseal Cautery with 400 watt machine and a vessel sealer inbuilt. This machine, in this behind you'll find there is a mains cord attachment, the intensity knob to increase the volume, the exhaust fan to keep the machine cool. Now in this machine there is a on off switch here, from where you can just put on the machine and off. The machine is on now. At the left hand side you can find there is a hand switch port. In this you can use a hand switch pencil, which is with the cut and cogue mode, which you operate with your fingers. This is the one cutting coagulation one. The second port is for the patient plate. You can use the patient plate, 2 pins here to connect it here for the patient plate, and 2 pins at the machine end. Here the monopolar foot switch connection here to connect a foot switch here accordingly. We will be providing you 2 foot switch, which is one for the monopolar and second is for the bipolar as well as for the sealer. So you have to connect it properly, this 2 foot switch, which is with the 2 pedals individually. Here the port is given for the bipolar. The foot switch, 2 foot switch, one is the monopolar one and one is for the bipolar and the seal. These are the 2 foot switch. The bipolar forceps with cable cord, you have to insert the 2 banana jack pin at the bipolar end. This is the forceps, detachable, and at the end you can find there is 2 female holes, that is for the sealer. Here you can use a laparoscopy sealer, you can use, otherwise the open bike clamp you can use. In this you can find the bipolar cable cord, which can be used it like this. This is the way, and 2 banana jack pin at the seal mode. This is for the laparoscopy. This will be providing you with the machine. And if you are using a open bike clamp, so for this we are giving you a bike clamp cable cord, which is 3 meters long. All the accessories are reusable, autoclavable. 2 banana jack pins at this end, and for the open bike clamp you can use it like this. This is for the bike clamp. So now we'll start the machine and see how it is used. First port, that is for the hand switch, cutting and coagulation. Now we are just trying a cutting on the machine. This is for the cutting mode. This port is for the coagulation. You can put on the intensity according to your requirement, up and down. This is plus 106. You can keep it accordingly, your requirement. We had kept it here 38, so it will show you this output. So this is out for the hand switch pencil. The second put, this is for the bipolar one, where you can use your bipolar. In this bipolar you have to use a foot paddle. This is for the bipolar. This is how you can use your bipolar. Now suppose if you need a foot control pencil, you have to just uninstall this and insert a active handle where the active female hole is given here. So you can use it like this, and you can operate it with the foot pedal, which is monopolar. This is the monopolar, this is the bipolar. Intensity again according to your requirement. This is how is for the bipolar one. Now if you are using a vessel sealer, now This was the function for the 400 watt machine. So now we'll be using a bike lamp on this machine. At the machine right hand side there are the two holes here which we had already inserted the two banana jack pin. And now how to use the machine. When we are using a seal mode, you have to switch on into a seal mode. This 3 port, the bicog, bicut and the auto, is for the bipolar mode, and this is the only single mode for the sealing when you are doing a sealing mode. Now here there is a level 1 10. We'll come it to the level is 0, level 1 2 3 4, it goes till 10. So we are keeping it only to the basic, that is level 2, and we'll try it on a cotton. When the tissue is sealed, the machine will automatically goes off. This is how you can use an open bike lamp. And if you are using a vessel sealer, you have to just change a cable cord for this, because this is the bike lamp one. Here you have to use a bipolar cable cord. And you can operate it This is how you can use a seal mode. In this machine there is a program which goes up and down. 99 programs are there. The program shows that suppose doctor is coming and is doing a orthopedic surgery on the mode 1, and he has set a program like pure is 150, then the spray if he's using like 50, the mode bipolar if he is using a 40, and he sets it, and after a period he goes and the second doctor comes and do the surgery. The output is 400, 120, and the level 10 is in the sealer. And suppose like after 3-4 years he's coming back and he's doing the same surgery, and if he's putting the program number 1, he'll get the same program which is fit in the memory of the machine. So there is no need to do up and down any outputs. It will be the same what the program is set in the machine. So this is what the program 1 says. The second, in the second you will see there is a cut mode. The pure will be for the 100% cutting, blend 1 is for the 70% cutting, 30% coagulation, and blend 2 is for 60% cutting and 40% coagulation. Endo cut is for the urology, that will be underwater. This third port that goes like coagulation, this will be the spray mode for the ball coagulation. Force is for the 100%. Force means it will just coagulate. Fulgurate you can use a electrode, cutting electrode. Desiccate is for the neurosurgery, point electrode. Now the bipolar, in the bipolar function you will find that when you are using a bipolar mode, there is a we'll go with the bicog. Bicog will do the bipolar. The bicut is for the bipolar seizure. If you are having, you can use a bipolar seizure on that. Auto means when you are doing a bipolar, automatically the machine will auto stop after the surgery. The seal mode, what I had shown you already for the vessel sealing. This is how you can use the machine. This is the vessel sealer, 400 watt mono with vessel sealer.